is currently 6:13 this morning. And you know what today is? Today is closing day, officially closing day. We have made it to the table. I'm up early because I saw that it was something that needs to be signed prior to going to the physical closing. So I am the type of person who likes to do things ahead of time to be on the offense versus defense. So I'm doing that now. I'm about to check that out now. We have to be there at 11:30, and excuse the dryer I'm washing because, as you know, we literally have 2 more days to have this apartment packed up. So I'm washing clothes. So we are scheduled to be there at 11:30, and it should be up until like 1:30. I don't know how long it'll really take. Hopefully it won't take too long. But also I am going to film the empty house tour since we'll be right there, kind of, right there, meaning on the way back. We may stop by. If not, we'll do the empty house tour tomorrow. But I look forward to you seeing that because that's going to be good. So yeah, everyone else is asleep right now. My kids, they're not going to school today, which I know it really sucks because I wanted them to spend as much time as they could with their friends. But the way they have our scheduled time, our closing schedule, it just is not working with how far we have to go and then being here in time to get at least my son. Like, our daughter has a key. She knows how to get in, let herself in, lock the door. He does not. So that's the issue at hand. But other than that, yes ma'am, it's closing day. So let me get myself together, check out these documents, and I will see you in a few. All right, I am back. I have my little bit of makeup on, little something. It is currently almost 10, so I'm not fully ready yet, but I did the bulk of everything. I did my, and don't mind my ashy hands. I did a little bit of, foundation, little blush, wet the hair. Got these cute earrings from Target. Target is a vibe, a true vibe. So my son was in here, but he ran out. So yeah, I will come back when we are probably in the car. Probably. Set the standard. Buy, sell. Is it buy, sell at Brandy?
That is my Instagram handle, buy, sell
yes.
at Brandy, or you can go on Hampton Collective.
Don't forget the period. Yes, you have set the standard. Like, wow. So now I have high expectations going forward with anybody.
Well,
look at that.
With anybody, but however, anything really.
Keep the business with you. Okay. I'm gonna say hi.
Mr. Pansita.
You want to say hi to the camera?
It's awesome.
It's for YouTube. Uh-oh.
Thank you guys for letting me be part of the team here today. We had a really fun closing and we're almost done.
Yay, it's been awesome. It's been awesome. Good morning, vlog. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in a car with the kids. Say good morning, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Anyway, hi. So right now, today is Thursday, and we had a pretty full day planned. We still kind of do have a full day. a lot to do. But right now we're heading out to breakfast, and then we're gonna take the kids to the house so they can see it. Woo! They're so excited. Can you tell? Look, she's smiling. She's ecstatic. Okay, Jason, look. They're so happy. Can't you tell? So, my husband is in the house real quick to get some. Well, not in the house, but where we currently live at, to get something. But I'm also filming an empty house tour. If you're watching this video and you have not seen an empty house tour yet, check out the next video coming up, or just go to my channel and look under the new construction playlist, and you'll see all the videos from top to bottom, from when we had nothing to when we had the house, all that. You do not want to miss the empty house tour. So with that, I will see you. I may be able to bring you to the restaurant we're going to. I don't know. I got to see how, you know, this place is. We've never been here before. So we'll see how it is. If I can bring you, you'll see the clips. If I can't, you'll see us in the next video at the empty house tour. Say good morning.
Good morning. Hey, hi everybody.
They said don't use them glasses.
We're on our way.
He said don't use these.
We're on our way.
All right, guys. See you in the next video or at the restaurant. You ain't luscious, I ain't gonna say it. Alrighty, we just came from breakfast. We had breakfast at Honey Jam Cafe. Yeah, Honey Jam Day Cafe. And it was, what do you guys give it, a okay or a yay?
We give it a yay for about 7 or 8. 8.
He gives it a 0.
I give it an
and
8.
he gives it an 8. It was like,
Daya?
yeah, I don't know, I'll give it like a
A, B,
7-ish. She's not listening. Anyway, now we're officially heading to the house, so stay tuned for that clip.
Stay tuned.